Okay, class. Good morning. So today I'm going to teach you about y-axis. My focus today is more to y-axis. Okay, I want to teach you about y-axis. Okay, but y-axis, when you look at y-axis, we have again positive negative region. Okay, this is what we learned in the last lesson. Okay, I think on Monday. I think on last Thursday, right? Last Thursday we have studied about positive negative region. Okay, for x-axis, I think this is for recall, just to recall. Okay, for x-axis, okay, when you look at x-axis, okay, especially x-axis, we have positive region, negative region. Anything on above x-axis is positive region. Okay, anything on bottom of the x-axis is negative region. This is what we saw in the last week. And then the formula also same thing. Formula, this is what the formula. Area is equals to AB y dx. So dx is actually refers to what? Dx is actually refers to your x-axis. Okay, remember this is just, okay, I'm just recalling back everything on the last week class. Okay, so today I'm going to focus on y-axis. My focus is y-axis, and then again y-axis also have positive negative region. So if you consider this side is what? This side, I think this is right side. Okay, right side. Right side we call this as positive region. It means this one 0, right? Okay, let's say I put it like this. Okay, so origin here. So anything here. Okay, anything in yellow in color is positive region. Okay, positive region. Okay, anything in green color, this one is considered the negative region. This is what I meant just now. Okay, so the green in color is actually positive. The blue in color is actually the negative, right? And the formula is still the same. Remember, the formula is still the same. It's actually y dx last week. So today, since we are doing respect to y-axis, so now our integral will be dy. We are integrate respect to dy. So we have dy here, and we have to substitute function of x. Okay, so kita kena masukkan function x dekat sini sebab kita nak buat respect to y-axis. Okay, so itu ialah the small briefing about the how to use the formula when it comes to x-axis, y-axis. Okay, anyone? Any question? Kalau apa-apa boleh tanya. Any question? Okay, if no question, okay, if no question, then we straight away go for the example. Okay, we straight away go into the example. Okay, so let me give you first example. So my first example, okay, question 1, I want to find what is the area of this diagram. Okay, so this is a question. Okay, we want to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so first, now we are doing respect to y-axis. Remember, we are doing respect to y-axis. Okay, so once we are doing respect to y-axis, then our formula will be, okay, integral area will be equal, area of shaded region will be equal, okay, equal integral, okay, AB and then x dy. So this is our formula. Okay, so never misuse the formula, not say misuse, never use the wrong formula in the wrong calculation. Okay, now you are doing respect to y-axis. So if you are doing on y-axis, then your formula must be dy. If you put dx, then something wrong, right? Then you won't able to solve the problem. Okay, so okay, putting the formula is one of the way you can solve it properly. Okay, so this is the formula. Now we're going to substitute the limit. Okay, what is the limit actually? Integral. What is the limit just now? 1, 3, right? Okay, 1, 3. Okay, now I want to put function x. Here I want to put function x. Okay, so but when it comes to the formula, when you look at the formula, okay, you don't have x, right? But you need to manipulate, right? So we need to do some manipulation there. Okay, so we take the formula y square equals to x minus 4. So we change place so that I want x minus 4 equals to y square. So what is x actually? X will be equals to x will be equals to what? Y square. Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. Y square plus 4. This is what we need to substitute here. Okay, this is what we need to substitute here. So you get y square plus 4 dy. So sometimes you won't get the formula exactly to substitute. So you need to do some manipulation. So here the calculations is given. I mean the formula is given, but it is not in the straight formula. So you have to do some manipulation so that you can substitute into the formula. Okay, next we want to integrate, right? So we integrate this, we get what? Integral. So y square, you get what? Y square 1. Bukan. We are integrate. Yeah, correct. Y power of 3 divided by 3 plus 4y. Very good. 4y and limit is 1, 3. Okay, 4y, then limit is 1, 3. So now we're going to substitute. Okay, so substitution will be equal. Okay, so for 3 we substitute, 3 cube divided by 3 plus 4 times 3 minus, okay, 1 power of 3 plus 4 times 1. Okay, what is this answer? So you just do your program, program your calculator. 1 over 3 x power of 3 plus 4x. So you put 3, you get, anyone want to help me? What's the answer when you put 3? No, I think you get 21. Betul I think we'll get 21. 21 minus, okay, what about yeah, correct. Here this side you get 13 over 3. Very good. Okay, what is the last answer? So 21 minus 13 over 3 is equal. So last answer we give in decimal. Remember I taught you, where it comes to area we give in decimal. So it will be, yeah, correct, 16.67 unit square. Okay, only for area you give in decimal because we want to see the value. Okay, you say area means we want to see the area value. Okay, Okay, put in the fraction, improper fraction, it is not, we are unable to see the value. So 16.67 we know, okay, exactly what is the size. Okay, so roughly we know the area. Okay, so that is the answer for question number 1. Okay, now try to solve this problem. Okay, this is for example number 2. Excuse me. Okay, so again get the formula. So formula will be area of shaded region okay will be equal, okay, integral AB, what is the formula? So we get, yeah, correct, x dy, very good. Okay, we'll get x dy. Okay, now we substitute the limit into the equation. So what is our limit? Our limit is, we are integrate from 0 to, yeah, correct, 0, 6. Okay, our limit is actually from 0 to 6. Okay, is it we are able to substitute x function here? Boleh tak kita substitute kat sini x function? Can, right? Yeah, we can substitute, right? Because this one is already x equal y times y minus 6. So actually we can straight away can substitute y times y minus 6 dy. Okay, now we try to manipulate this. Okay, so we try to expand. Okay, so in order to solve, we need to expand. So y times y is y square, and then y times 6 will be negative 6y dy. And then we integrate this, so integration will be equal to, okay, y3 over 3, correct, minus, okay, 6 power of y power of 2 divided by 2, close bracket, 0, 6. Is it can simplify? Yes, okay, so kita simplify dulu. Okay, this is 1, this will be 3. So we simplify that first. So that will give you equal, okay, y power of 3 over 3 minus 3y square. Remember, simplify will be make your calculation easier. If you simplify, okay, it makes your calculation easier. So better do simplify. If you see anything fraction there, so try to simplify. Kalau tak boleh simplify, tak apa. But make sure you know they are already in the simplest form. Okay, now you substitute 6, 0. So 6 power of 3 over 3 minus 3 times 6 square minus, I think when put 0, so this one will be 0, this also 0, so everything will be 0, right? Okay, 0 is one thing beautiful here. When you substitute, almost become 0, right? But remember, not always will be 0, so you have to check whether all of them 0 or still got value. Okay, what is the last answer? Negative 36, are you sure? X power of 3 over 3 minus 3x square. If I'm not mistaken, I get negative 18. Sorry, I supposed to be put 6, right? Yeah, I think negative 36. Sama, Okay. Hey, why suddenly we get negative, Yeah, correct. You see, look at here. Look at the diagram again. So your diagram is actually on the left side. See, look at the diagram, So your diagram is in the left side. So since it's a left side, so you should get negative answer, negative area, right? Okay. So what we do when we have negative area? What we do when we have negative area? Okay, good. Ada ingat juga, good. So we need to do modulus. So put modulus. Every single equation, every single line you must put modulus. Semua ni kena letak modulus. Because modulus is one way to make the answer positive. So I want positive answer. So the positive answer will be equal 36 unit square. Okay, 36 unit square. So remember, this is very important. Put modulus is very important step. But we only consider when it is negative only. If it is positive, no problem. Okay, no need to put modulus. But when it comes to negative answer, make sure you have modulus, because we want to make it as a positive answer. Remember, area cannot be negative. Only area is the negative region or positive region. Okay, which position it is. Okay, that is the idea of the question. Okay, next, number 3. Okay, so this is the question number 3. Okay. Okay, so copy this problem and try to solve this problem. Okay, again we start with the formula. So our formula will be area of shaded region equal AB. Okay, then you get x dy, because now we are doing on the y-axis. So x dy, and we substitute the formula. Okay, so what is our limit for this question? Boleh negative 2 to 2? Boleh? Boleh ke tak boleh? Why you say can? Why you say can? Why you say it's okay? Because of what? Because dia dekat y-axis. Yeah lah, but of course dia dekat y-axis lah. But you have one is above, one is the bottom one. Okay. What dalili lagi? Again. Okay. That's the answer I want. Remember, when you do together, when you do it separate. Remember, okay, look at this answer. Look at this diagram. This diagram, okay, yang ini left. Yang ini pun left. So, when it comes to left side, okay, now you are talking about left side only. Dia tak pergi sebelah sana. Kalau dia pergi right, different story already. But since our case is left, both is left, meaning that we can do it straight. We can do it from -2 to 2. Let's say kita punya example dia jadi macam ni. Okay, let's say my example like something like this. Let's say my example like this. Now I have to do it separate. Mesti kena separate. Ini mesti kena separate. Let's say the same question. Okay, let's say I put 2 here, 0 here, -2 here. Different already. Ini kena positif. Ini ialah kena buat modulus 0 to 2. Yang ini kena buat -2 to 0. Because of what? Because one is left, another one is right. So ini beza-beza yang kita kena ingat. This is what the difference that you really should remember. So this one is right. So right means must separate. In our case, we don't need to separate because both is left. So this is what I really want you to concentrate. Okay, faham? Okay. So now we can straight away put the formula right. Okay, what is our formula? So our formula is y square equals to -x. So I want x. X will be what? Correct, negative y square. So I can straight away put here negative y square dy. Okay, negative y square dy. Okay, now we try to go for the answer. Okay, what is the answer? Equal okay, so integrate negative y square, you get what? You get negative y power of 3 over 3, and then the limit is -2 until 2. Okay, no problem in doing this. Because of what? Because they are both in left. So no problem. You can straight away can do from the lower limit, which is -2, until the upper limit, which is 2. If it is one side positive, one side negative, then we have to separate. Okay, what is answer? So answer will be -2 power of 3 divided by 3 minus -2 power of 3 divided by 3, and we can substitute into the calculator. Okay, we try to program and find the answer. Okay, so what is our calculation? What is our answer? X power of 3 over 3, and then when I substitute 2, I get what? Negative. Yeah, correct. Negative 8 over 3. Very good. Minus. Yeah, correct. You inside you get again another 8 over 3 positive, right? So since the formula is negative, so this time we have negative 8 over 3 minus 8 over 3, and then the last answer will be equal 8 over 3 plus 8 over 3. So this we change to for decimal. So 5.33, correct. 33 unit square. Okay, but we have negative, right? Oh yeah, I think I missed one thing. We have negative, sorry, so since kita ada negative, so I have to do modulus. So I do modulus here, I do modulus here, okay, and everything I need to do modulus. And then last answer I put in positive answer. So the positive answer will be equal 5.33 unit square. Okay, sorry just now, I missed the negative just now. Okay, one more example, number 4. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, also what is our answer? So again, start with the formula. Area of shaded region, okay, equal integral, okay, AB x dy, okay, that will give you equal integrate, okay, integrate from what value to what value? Yeah, correct. Okay, yeah, okay, your integration will be from 2 to 4, and x is just the formula of y minus 2 square, so we can substitute here y minus 2 square and dy. Okay, y minus 2 square dy. Okay, so we go for the answer. What is the answer? Okay, so one thing is you can we need to expand lah. Okay, this one you need to expand. Okay, or you can use the formula. Okay, what formula you can use here? Remember what formula you can use here? Ax plus b and dx. You get what? Yeah, correct. N plus 1 divided by, yeah, correct, betul. Okay, so this is what we get. Okay, so if you want to use this formula, so we can get y minus 2 and then power of 3 divided by, correct, What is our A? 1 times 3 close bracket, then yeah, correct, 2 4. Okay, no plus C since we have limit, so there's no plus C. Okay, now we try to substitute and find the last answer. So the last answer will be equal. Okay, so when I substitute 4 minus 2 power of 3 divided by 3 minus, and then we substitute 2 minus 2 power of 3 divided by 3. So 2 minus 2, I think this becomes 0, right? Okay, so one answer will be 0. So because 2 minus 2 clear, 2 minus 2 is 0, right? So one answer is very clear, so this one must be 0. So 4 minus 2 is 2 power of 3 over 3. So I think your answer will be 8 over 3, right? Am I right? Yeah, okay, so you get 8 over 3 minus 0. So change to decimal, you get, yeah, correct, 2.67 unit square. So this is our answer. Okay, unit square, this is our answer. Okay, so we have covered the area for the y-axis. Okay, we have covered the area for y-axis. Okay, so next thing I want to proceed is area of bounded region. Okay, this is my second subtopic that I'm going to concentrate. Okay, let's say that let's say we have, okay, a function, for example. Okay, we have two functions. This time we have two functions. For example, let's say you have a curve. Okay, let's say you have a curve, okay, curve like this, and then you have a straight line, for example, like this. Okay, so now you have to find the area of bounded region. So bounded region means in between these two curves, right? Okay, in between these two functions. So for example, this is what I want. So when we have a situation like this, so we need to know how to manipulate the formula that we have studied just now. So this is what we call as bounded region. Okay, yang dilindungi dah. Okay, yang diliputi oleh dua persamaan. Okay, bounded means apa, dalam lingkungan dua equation lah. Okay, this is what the bounded region. Okay, so what we need to understand here is the formula. Okay, let's say I put this is function fx, and this is gx. Okay, so how to manipulate the formula is this. Okay, remember, now we have to see, okay, what is our condition. Okay, now we are doing in y-axis or x-axis. Okay, so if you go for x-axis, then our formula will be what? Our formula will be a b y dx. So this is what we studied just now. Okay, if we are doing respect to x-axis, so this will be y dx, right? Okay, now, but we have two functions. So one we have fx, one we have gx. Okay, so in order to put it here, okay, in order to substitute here, so we need to consider few situations. Okay, now look at this diagram. Okay, which function is above of the other? Okay, apa maksud saya ialah, siapa yang duduk atas sekarang? Is it fx or gx? Okay, so your fx is actually above the gx. Betul kan? Okay, this is above the gx. So once the function above the gx, so we need to substitute like this. It will be equal ab fx minus gx dx. This is how we substitute. Okay, you must see the condition. So fx is above the gx. So fx minus gx. That's how the formula will comes when comes to the area of bounded region. Okay, let's say I give you another example. Okay, let's say I give you another example. So this time the curve is like this, and the straight line something like goes like this. Okay, so let's say my example. Okay, say let's say I give you something like this. Okay, this one looks beautiful. Okay, so this one is gx. Okay, this one is fx. Okay, now I want to find this shaded region. Okay, I want to find this area. Okay, how to find this area? So what will be my formula? So now I want to do in x-axis. Let's say same as this x-axis. Okay, what will be my formula? So my formula is AB, right? And y dx. So this is what I get. Okay, because I want to do in x-axis, right? Okay, now what is our function? AB. Now I substitute what? Okay, you see, look at here. Look at the diagram here. Fx or gx, which one comes first? Okay, correct. Fx comes first because of what? Kenapa fx dulu? Okay, betul. Fx, the straight line is above the gx. Sebabnya straight line ni berada atas pada curve ni. So again, fx will come first. Fx minus gx dx. Siapa yang duduk atas, dia datang dulu. So it is not your curve or straight line. Kalau curve duduk atas, curve datang dulu. Kalau straight line duduk atas, straight line datang dulu. But in our case, fx, gx, I put the same thing. Because of what? Because I look at the diagram, not look at the gx or fx. I'm looking at the diagram. Diagram shows who is above the another function. So siapa yang duduk atas will come first. So fx will come first. For example number 2, again fx is come number 1 because of fx is above the gx. So siapa yang atas, dia datang dulu. Is it okay so far? Can follow? Boleh Okay, now I give you an example. Okay, now I give you an example how to solve this problem. Okay, example 1. Okay, let's say I give you a function. Okay, so I have a curve like goes like this. Okay, curve is like this, and then I have a straight line goes like this. Okay, so straight line formula is y equals to x. Okay, here we have y equal 2x minus x square, and I want to find what? I want to find this area of shaded region. Okay, this is what I want to find. Okay, this area. Okay, now my x-axis, my y-axis. So okay, I'm thinking this one better I do in x-axis because of what? Because I think if we know this, okay, so I think we can, if we know this AB, we can find the problem ready, right? Are you agree with me? Betul Are you agree with me Betul Okay. Macam tak yakin lah. Okay, tak apa. Okay, so you have to make sure you know you can understand this problem lah. Okay, next. Okay, next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute to the formula. Okay, what is my formula? Area of shaded region. Okay, will be equal integral what? Integral AB. I don't know AB, it's okay. Okay, what function come first? What function will come first? Yes, very good. Yes, very good. So your 2x minus x square will become first. So here you substitute 2x minus x square. So this is our consider our first function. Ini consider kita punya function. Okay, ini function pertama. This is our function, first function. This is number 1. Okay, this one is number 2. Okay, very good. If you can see that, actually you are good ready. Okay, you dah bagus lah. It's actually good ready. You can see the problem ready. So the first function you must put is the curve. Why curve? Because curve is above the straight line. So if we consider the curve is the above the straight line. So we go for the curve minus the straight line. Straight line, what is the formula? Minus what? Minus x. Betul, minus x. Then ini ialah nombor 2 lah. Minus x and dx. Okay, yang ni, yang tadi tu saya bagi fx gx, mungkin itu sebab you confused lah. But actually fx, this one consider fx. Ini bagi nampak jadi fx. Ini bagi nampak gx, mungkin nampak lah. Same thing only. The y is actually, okay, it's actually you kena ganti. Remember the formula? You must put y, right? Look at the formula. You supposed to substitute y, right? So kalau kita ada y, maksudnya y lah ini. Ini kira y1 tolak y2 dah. y1 minus y2 dah. Same thing only. Okay, same thing only. Now you have to look in terms of y. But they are same thing as fx and gx. Okay. So we already have this answer. Okay, we already have this answer. Okay, now my challenge, another challenge is I need to find what is A and B. How to find A, B? Okay, not always you will have the limit lah. Sometimes you need to find some final exam question. You need to find your own. So we have to do that part also. Okay, so how to find AB? Okay, we can assume 0 lah, can. But what I'm going to do is this. So I take this function 2x minus x square. Okay, I put 0. I put 0 because of what? Because they are intercept in x-axis. So when they are intercept in x-axis, meaning that there's two roots. One is A, another one is here. This one I put C. But I'm not interested in C. I want A only. So I check whether we can get 0 or not. So what I get? I put 0 here. Okay. Negative, I make it positive. So x square minus 2x. Okay, I make it as a positive lah. Ini negatif pindah sana jadi positif. Okay, so when I factor, I get what? X minus 2, right? Betul? Okay, so first answer is 0. Another answer is x minus 2 equals to 0. X equals to 2. Okay, maksudnya kita punya jawapan dekat sini 1 is 0. Okay, here you get one answer with 0. So here you get 0. Another answer C is 2. But I'm not interested in C. What I want is 0. So this is what I really want. So my limit I know 0 already. Okay, so the 1, 2, okay, it's okay. We know the C, but we are not using it. Okay, I need to find B. How to find B? Macam mana nak cari B? Okay, in order to find B, okay, so you need to do what? You need to put them equal. 2x minus x square equals to x. Why put equal? Because at this point, okay, at this point, okay, in red color, this point, Okay, they are equal what? Betul, dia bersilang. Bersilang maksudnya consider they are equal. So that's why 2x minus x square I put equal to x. Sebab dia kena sama. Point tu dia kena sama. So I put equal. Now I need to solve this problem also. So what is the answer? What is my answer? So my answer will be 2x minus, okay, better I make it 0 lah. So I make it 0 here. 0 equal okay, very good. Okay, x square minus 2x plus x. Betul. Okay, so my answer will be 0 equal x square negative 2 plus 1 become plus minus x lah. Sorry, minus x. Okay, what is answer? 0 equal, factor this, we get what? Yeah, correct. X bracket x minus 1. So kita akan dapat x equals to 0. We get x equals to 0. Or x minus 1 equals to 0. X equals to 1. Okay, maksudnya satu saya tahu. Okay, confirm di sini mesti satu lah. See, look at again. Look at here, we get 0, right? Okay, kenapa kita dapat kosong? Because the curve is actually intersect again in the second point. So dia intersect juga dekat sini. Dia ada dua kali intersect. So one intersect in 0, another one intersect is 1. So kita ada dua kali intersection. That's why you get equal. So when you put equal, you get the intersection point. So one is 0, another one is 1. Is it okay? Can follow? Okay. Okay, now since we know the limit, now what is our limit actually? Okay, 0, 1. Okay, come. Okay, so kita terus pergi kepada integration lah. Now we go for the integration. Okay, now I go for the integration. So integration will give me what? So integral, okay, 0, 1 equal 0, 1 2x minus x square minus x dx. Okay, what is our answer? Equal, okay, integrate 0, 1. Okay, so we open the bracket. So we get what? 2x minus x square minus x dx. Okay, kita open bracket lah. Okay, so what is the simplified function? Kalau kita simplify, dia jadi apa? Correct? Negative x square. Okay, correct. Plus x dx, betul. Okay, because 2x minus x, we get x. Kita boleh simplify dia. Okay, now we go for the integration. Come. We go for the integration. Equal, integral. Okay, negative. Okay, x power of 3 over 3 plus okay, x power of 2, correct, 0, 1. Okay, so we go for the answer. So the answer will be bracket negative 1 power of 3 over 3 plus 1 power of 2 over 2 minus, okay, when you put 0, of course it will be 0, right? Okay, so negative x power of 3 over 3 plus x power of 2 over 2. So when you put 1, I think your answer will be equal to yeah, correct, 1 over 6. Okay, 1 over 6 we change to decimal, so we'll get yeah, correct, 0.17 unit square. Okay, 0.17 unit square. So this is what the answer goes. Okay, so kita take 5 dulu. Okay, now we try this problem. Okay, how to solve this example. Okay, so we have integral, we have a curve and we have a line, and I want to find this shaded region. Okay, this is my shaded region. So the function I have here is y equal x times 7 minus x. Here I have y equals to 6, x-axis, y-axis. Here is 0. Okay, so this is my problem. Okay, so now what is the formula? Okay, back to the formula. Area of shaded region, okay, equal AB. Okay, I want to substitute my function. Okay, consider I put y1 y2 right? Okay, consider I put y1 y2 dx. Okay, I mean this one easy to understand lah. Okay, which one you consider as your y1, which one you consider as your y2? You need to understand what is your y1, what is your y2. Okay, is it your curve or your straight line? Which one will be the y1? Correct. Okay, curve, very good. Curve will be the y1 and the straight line will be y2. Very good. If you can follow this, very good already. You can solve bounded region. Okay, good, very good. Okay, so you put them into the equation. So now we need to go for the equation. Okay, now where is your a and b limit? Where is your limit? You need to know where is your limit. Okay, so the limit will be dekat mana limit dia? So limit is actually here, this one, this point. Dekat sini dah. This is what our limit. Okay, so the limit will be dropped down here. So this is what I call as A. This is what B. So I need to find what? I need to find the intersection point between y1 and y2. Okay, never mind. Let me clear this first. Okay, so we substitute this first. So I get AB. Okay, what I substitute here? Y1 is what? X times 7 minus x, and then what? Yeah, correct, minus 6, correct, minus 6 dx. Very good. Okay, minus 6 dx. Okay, now how to find AB? Macam mana cari AB? So we put what? X 7 minus x equal what? No, equals to 6, because we are not we are not looking for the root. What? Kenapa saya tak pergi root? Root duduk ke bawah, dekat sini. This is what our root. Root duduk ke bawah. But we are not interested in the root because of what? Root no related to the limit. What? Do you get what I mean? Ini root dia. So we are not interested in the root. Root maksudnya letak kosong dah. Right? Betul tak? Betul So I want 6. Sebabnya saya mau dekat sini je. I want only this. I want this answer. So to find this answer, I must put equal to 6. Okay, now I try to solve the problem. Okay, what I get? So I expand, I get what? This become 7x, betul? Minus x square, correct, equal to 6. Okay, correct. Okay, I want to make it 0 here. I want 0 here. Why I make it 0? Because I want positive x square. So we bring here become x square. Okay, correct. Minus 7x plus 6. Okay, now we need to solve the quadratic lah. Ini jadi quadratic kan. So we need to find the quadratic. Okay, what is our answer? So x will be come put into your formula. Put into your calculator. Okay, so answer you get x positive or negative 6. I mean your answer is positive, right? X is yeah, your last answer is positive. So here must be negative 6 lah. So x again, x equals to last answer is 1. So here will be correct, negative 1. So gini standard quadratic lah. So you get 6 and 1. So what is our A? What is our A? Apa jawapan A? Yeah, correct. A is 1. And what about B? Yeah, correct. B is 6 Okay, since our A is 1, okay, how I get 1? Because the root, I mean, sorry, not the root, our interception point, we get 1 and 6. So 1 and 6, I will substitute here. So this is our 1, this is our 6. Okay, now, what is our limit? Limit will be equal. Yeah, correct. So we substitute 1, 6 here. 1, 6 x 7 minus x minus 6 dx. Okay, so now we go for the answer. Answer will be equal. Also, I think we need to expand, right? We need to expand and do some modification before we go for the integration. So we get 1, 6, and then here you get 7x, correct? Minus x square minus 6 dx. So this is what we get. Okay, next we proceed for the integration. Or you want to rearrange also can. Okay, we rearrange also can. So we get negative x square plus 7x minus 6. Just rearrange that nicely so that your last calculation will be easier. Okay, next, what is our answer? Okay, what is our integration answer? Equal. Okay, anyone want to give you answer? Negative. Okay, s power of 3 over 3 plus. Okay, 7s square over 2 minus. Correct, 6x bracket 1, 6. Okay, so this is what we get for our limit, and we try to substitute. Okay, we substitute the value. So negative 6 power of 3 over 3 plus 7 over 2 6 square minus 6 times 6, okay, minus, and then we substitute 1, okay, negative 1 power of 3 over 3 minus 7 over 2 times 1 square minus 6 times 1. Okay, so we go for the last answer. Okay, so you better program your calculator. Okay, easy to go right. So negative 1 over 3 x power of 3 plus 7 over 2 x power of 2 and then minus 6x. Okay, I already put into the calculator. Now I'm going to substitute 6. So when I substitute 6, I get equals to, anyone want to share your answer? Equal? Yeah, correct. I get 18 also. Correct. 18 minus, okay, what when we put 1? Okay, negative or positive? Okay, so you get negative, right? So you put the bracket lah. Since we have negative, so you should put bracket negative 1706. Because this one negative will be positive. Remember, careful with this. When you have negative answer, better you put bracket because these two are plus answer. So 18 plus 1706, and so last answer we change it to decimal lah. Okay, what is our decimal answer? Equal? Yeah, correct. 20.83 unit square. So this is our last answer. Okay, next I give you example 3. We try to do another example. Okay, question 3. Okay, so this is the curve, and there's a straight line there. Okay, looks better. Okay, this one looks better. Okay, now you have a shaded region here. This is what I want. Okay, this is what I want. So my function for curve, okay, my function for curve y equals to 4 over x, and then my straight line equal y equal, okay, so straight line y minus 5 equals to negative x. Okay, so this is what they given. Okay, now I want to find the shaded region. Okay, how I'm going to find this shaded region? Okay, so again we get the formula. We try to go for the formula. Area of shaded region, okay, equal integral AB. Okay, what is our formula? We put y1 y2 right? We put y1 minus y2 dx. Okay, I think this will be easier for you to understand lah. Okay, minus y2 dx. Okay, now we need to decide which one is our which one is our y1, which one is our y2. Y tolak 5 is your y1 or y2? Okay, correct. So this is our y1, correct. This is our y1. I put the y1, and here this one definitely y2 lah. Okay. Okay, if your diagram let's say your kalau siapa-siapa guna phone lah, if your diagram is small, you can zoom. Okay, you boleh zoom sikit. Okay, sebab phone saya pun nampak kecil. So actually you can zoom in your calculator, in your phone. Okay, so you get y1, y2 ready. Okay, next. Next we try to go for the substitution. Okay, kita substitute equal. Okay, we don't know the limit yet. Okay, it's okay. We put AB first. Okay, what is our y1? Okay, now you see y1 minus x minus 5 equals to negative x, right? But I want y1 only. So what I do? Y1 will be equals to what? Equals to? Yeah, correct. Negative x plus 5. So we need to modify this. Okay, we need to modify this because negative 5 should be the other side. So I put bracket. So negative x plus 5 minus, okay, this is my y1 minus what? Correct. Okay, so here I get 4x dx. Okay, here I get 4x dx. Okay, next. Next part, I'm trying to go for the limit here. Okay, so I need to find AB. So where will be my limit? Definitely the interception point lah. So the interception point will be here and will be here. So these are the interception point. Okay, interception point. Okay, interception. Okay, when there is a interception, so this is my A, this is my B. Okay, now what I do to find the interception point? What equal to what? Yes, correct. Negative x plus 5 should be equals to 4x. I should put them equal because I want to find the interception, means they must be equal. The two equations must be equal. So negative x plus 5 equals to 4x. So I just manipulate this. Okay, so in order to get solve, I need to make this cross multiply. So x times, because I need to make it a quadratic, right? So x times negative x plus 5 equals to 4. So I just cross multiply. Okay, so in order to find the limit, I need to do this. I must solve this quadratic. So I get negative x square plus 5x equals to 4. I want 0 here. Why I want 0? Because I want to make it this is positive, right? Okay, so bring here become what? Correct. Okay, but okay, can also you can put but I put behind lah. First I put x square, so negative become positive x square, and then negative 5x, and then the 4 I put behind because I want to go for the quadratic. So better I put ABC form, right? The general form. Okay, next I use calculator. Okay, I find the answer. So calculator give me what? What is the calculator answer? Okay, calculator give you 4 and or you get equals to. Okay, so here definitely x minus 4, x minus 1 lah. Okay, so our conclusion is based on this. Our conclusion is what? Apa conclusion kita? Yeah, correct. A is 1 and our B is. Yeah, correct. B is 4. Okay, A is 1, B is 4, and then we can go for the formula. Okay, E is 1. Okay, E jadi 1, sini 1, sini 4. Okay, now we try to solve this. One four. Okay, so open bracket, you get negative x plus 5. Okay, it's one simple open bracket only. So negative 4 over x dx. Okay, so how to integrate negative x? How to integrate negative x? You get what? Yeah, correct. Negative x power of 2 over 2 plus, correct, 5x minus. Anyone want to share this answer? Minus 4 for what? Okay, kalau kita bawa di atas, okay, boleh juga. Okay, so means we need to do some modification. Okay, kalau nak bawa atas, okay, tak apa, saya tulis sini dulu. So kalau yang saya nak bawa, siapa-siapa yang nak bawa atas, dia jadi 4x negative 1 dx, betul? Okay, now we go for the integration. Equal, integrate negative x power of 2 over 2 plus 5x minus 4. Correct. Ini akan jadi log x, betul. Then 1 4. Okay, remember for quiz saya mesti akan test benda ni. Remember negative 1 remember negative 1, definitely I test this for quiz. So please take note. Bisek, please take note. This is very important. Okay, so kalau kita dah tahu ni, then we go for the substitution lah. Okay, so this one we substitute, we get 4 square plus 5 times 4 plus 4 log 4. Okay, minus. Okay, then another answer will be 1 power of 2 over 2 plus 5 times 1 plus 4 log 1 equal. Better you do programming lah. Okay, better you do programming. Okay, so minus 1 over 2 s square plus 5x minus 4, okay, log ln, you use ln x. And then we go for the answer of 4. Okay, this time straight away get decimal. Okay, so what is the answer? Anyone want to share your answer? 6 point? Yeah, correct, 6.45. Very good. Minus, when you substitute 1, you get correct, 4.5 right? Okay, so since we want to go for decimal, straight away can change to decimal also, right? 4.5. And what is our last answer? Will be equal, okay, 1.95, 6.45 minus 4.5, we get 1.95. Very good. So this is our answer, 1.95 unit square. Okay, so that is the last answer. Okay, next next we go for the example number 4. Okay, anyone? Any questions so far? Apa-apa nak tanya saya? Anything you want to ask me? Oh yeah. Oh, thank you, Kailash. Thank you. It's an error. Sorry for this. Actually, this one's supposed to be minus. Yeah, you're right. Okay, thank you. And thank you. I missed this. Actually, I put more minus right, positive right. Actually, this one's supposed to be minus. Okay, sorry for this. So change this to minus, and we change the last answer also. I think the last answer also different. Yeah, possible. You can get negative answer, but the last answer should be positive, right? The last answer should be positive because it's above the x-axis one, so it's actually supposed to be positive answer. Okay, now we test the answer. So test answer, you get negative 1 over 2 x square, okay, s square, plus 5x minus 4 log x. Okay, when you substitute, okay, yeah, correct. 6.45, still the same answer, eh? Oh, still the same answer. Okay, so 6.45 is still the same. 6.45 minus, when you substitute 1, but I still get 4.5 also, right? When I substitute 1. I think I still get 4.5. Here I still I think I see here, still I get 1, 4.5. Same thing only. Hey, how come, huh? Wonder, huh? Same only. Negative, positive, still the same answer. Please check your answer. Please check your calculation. Definitely something error there. I think there's when you put 1 also you get 4.5. Okay, so last answer still the same, right? So I think the last answer still the same, right? 1.95, right? Oh, okay. I understand. Now I understand. Oh, only here I do wrong, right? Huh? Oh yeah, press calculator same. Okay, understand. That's why, right? How come positive negative same? Definitely no right. Okay, betul. Thank you for the correction. Okay, thank you. Siapa yang jumpa salah ni, thank you. Okay, next we go for question 4. Okay, I give you question 4. 4 I put here. Okay, my problem is this. Okay, so this is x-axis, y-axis, and my shaded region is here. Okay, how to find this answer? Okay, this is my shaded region. How to find this answer? Okay. There are many ways to do that. Okay, there's actually many ways to do. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it as a, I'm going to do portion by portion. Okay, maksudnya I mau buat sikit-sikit. Okay, portion by portion. I do small part, I do small part, I do small part, and combine everything. Okay, so that's how we can do that. Okay, so first thing, my strategy. Okay, we need strategy to answer this question. Okay, look at this. Actually, this is not that easy. Yes, you see. Okay, the one is easy because the limit just now minus, you get the limit and you straight away can go for the answer. But this time it's not exactly like the previous question, so you need some strategy. Okay, so strategy here I'm going to do is this. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to find what is this answer. Okay, definitely I need to know what is this A. Okay, what is this B? I need to know this. Okay, so once I know A, B, okay, so I can break into 3 already. So it's actually I get what? So here I consider A1, area 1. Here this one is area 2. And this is area 3. Okay, actually many ways. What I'm giving you as one of the way. Okay, actually I think this will be easier for you to understand. Okay, we have 3 area. One, we have area 1. We have area 2 within this. Okay, within A to B. And then we have another area B to so we need to know what is this. So definitely this one is supposed to be 0. Okay, intersect in x-axis, I mean in origin, right? So this one must be 0. And we need to know the C also. So we need to know what is C. C here. Okay, is it okay with the diagram? Okay, and apart, so one thing, we have origin 0 here. We have another is C here. Okay, C here. So kita ada, we have 4 limits to understand. Kita ada 4 limit. 10 A, B, C. Okay. Okay, is it okay with the question? Okay with the diagram? Ada siapa-siapa nak tanya apa-apa? Anything, any question so far? Okay, I think can follow Okay, okay, kalau boleh follow. Okay, next. Okay, now I want to find area 1. Okay, I want to find area 1. How to find area 1? Okay, how to find area 1? So we want to find area 1. Okay, integral. Okay, what is our limit? 0, correct? 0 and correct, very good. 0A lah, very good. So kalau dapat tu, you get the first limit of area 1 lah. Okay, 0A. Okay, what is our function? What is our function? Yeah, correct. 4x minus x square, and last behind here is no dx only. Kita nak buat sampai sini je. Because of what? Because yang 3 ni not related, because only the function fx 4x minus x square is related. Sekarang kita punya yang belakang tu dia tak terlibat. Yang 3 tu tak terlibat. No, y3 is not included because we are only find this area only. So find this area, I mean the A1. Okay, A1 look like this. A1 dia akan nampak macam ni. Dia nampak macam ni. So ini A, ini 0. So function ini ialah 4x minus x square only lah. So kita nak cari ini, so kita guna 4x minus x square only lah. The 3 is not involved because we are not minus what? Kita tak tolak apa-apa. We are just only find the area 1. Okay, follow Can follow Okay, so kalau kita dah boleh follow, so we get the limit for the area 1. Okay, we already have the area 1. Okay, how to find area 2? Macam mana nak cari area 2? Okay, correct. Limit is AB, betul. Limit is AB. Okay. Okay. Untuk yang ini, untuk ini, I tak mau guna limit. I want to use, look at this. Look at AB. Look at this A2. A2, you nampak macam ni kan? Betul? You nampak macam ni kan? Meaning that ini dia macam jadi rectangle lah. Ini dah macam kita kena cari luas rectangle lah. Yes, you are right. Actually what you are saying is correct. Kita kena cari luas rectangle ni. So we have to find this rectangle area. So rectangle area is AB times by ini atas, ini jadi apa? Ini jadi 3 lah. Correct. Ini jadi 3 lah. So kalau kita tahu B, kita tahu A, kita tolak 2 ni, kita dapat sini. So kali ni dapatlah jawapan untuk area ni. Okay, can follow Okay, so we are not using integration. We just use the normal rectangle formula. Okay, now what about A3? What about A3? A3 will be 0. I mean this time no, not B0. How come B0? BC, betul, BC. Dia jadi BC. Okay, BC. 0 is origin. So this one cannot be origin. So B and then C here. And what is our function again? Correct. 4x minus x square. Betul. Dia lagi sekali kita guna 4x minus x square only because only that function is related. 3 tak masuk. 3 straight line dia tak masuk. Okay. Now my challenge is I need to find what is A, what is B, what is C lah. Okay, kalau saya tahu A, B, C, all I can find the answer already. Sebab semua saya dah ada jawapan. Tinggal memasuk saja. Okay, next. Okay, so we go for find C. Kita cari C dulu. How to find C? What I do? Macam mana saya cari C? So 4 minus x square equal to 0. Correct. Okay, kita bagi kosong. Equals to 0. Because of what? Because I want to find the root. Ini ialah root dia. This one is root. Ini ialah root dia. Kita sebab quadratic kan? Quadratic mesti ada root dia. So kalau kita mau cari root, put 0 lah. Okay, so I put 0 here. 0 equal what? Okay, correct. X square minus 4x equals to, then I factor out 4, factor x, so I dapat x minus 4, correct? So one answer, x equals to 0 because x jadi kosong. Kalau dia tak ada expand, dia jadi kosong. Or x minus 4 will be equals to 0. X equals to 4. Okay. So sekarang apa jawapan C saya? Yeah, answer C is actually 4 lah. So sini saya tukar jadi 4. Sini saya tukar jadi 4. Maksudnya here also same thing. Okay, yang ini saya boleh tukar jadi 4. Okay, so sini saya dah boleh tukar jadi 4. So sini akan jadi 4. Okay, now I need to find AB. Okay, how to find AB? 4x minus x square equals to Yeah, correct. Very good. Okay. Kalau saya mau AB, then I need to find interception point. Betul. Dia jadi substitute 3 dah. Remember, we are looking for the interception point. Okay, we are looking for the interception point. So dekat sini interception point. So kalau interception point, then the equation must be equal. So 4x minus x square must be equals to 3 dah. Okay, dia jadi interception, dia jadi interception. So dengan siapa? Dengan 3 dengan 4x minus x square. So that's why I put here equals to 4x minus x square equals to 3 dah. Okay, solve this. So I put 0 here. So 0 equal 1 3, right? Okay, 1 3. So saya ni akan dapat x square and then minus 4x plus 3. So you get 1 3. Okay, so kita dapat 1 3. Dan 1 3 ni kita masuk balik dalam kita punya equation lah, A1. Okay, what is our A1 just now? Kita tengok balik A1. So A1 just now, if I'm not mistaken, A1 should be 0 I think 1 4x minus x square dx. Okay, kita cuba selesai ni dah. Okay, what is answer? A1. Anyone want to try? Correct. 4x square over 2 minus. Okay, x power of 3 over 3, 0, 1. So ini boleh simplify. This one can simplify. 1, 2. Okay, so you get 2x square minus x power of 3 over 3, 0, 1. And then substitute, you get 2, 1 square minus 1 power of 3 over 3. And then the rest, I think when substitute 0, it becomes 0. Okay, what is his answer? A1. So 2 minus 1 over 3. So I think you get 1.67, right? Okay, so kita dapat 1.67 unit square. So kita dapat A1 lah. Answer for area 1. Okay, answer of area 1. Okay, now I'm going for area 2. Okay, what is my area 2? Okay, I put it here, area 2. I put the diagram here. So just now I get the rectangle. Okay, just now I have a rectangle. Okay, so rectangle here is 1, 3 for sure. And then this one, okay, the height will be 3, right? Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? Yeah, correct. It should be 6, right? Okay. How you get 6? Ini 3, 1 jadi berapa? 2 dah. Okay, correct. So 3 times 2 you get 6 dah. So area 2 is actually, okay, area 2 is actually 3 times 2 you get 6 unit square. And we go for the last answer. So last answer, we go for the area 3. What is area 3? Okay, 0 just now, I mean sorry, not 0, C, right? So this one BC is just now 3 4, right? So 3 4 4x minus x square dx. Ini tak apa, ini kita copy balik je sebab kita dah ada jawapan tadi. So we can straight away can put 2x square minus x power of 3 over 3 and then 3 4. Sebab kita dah buat tadi. Actually no need to do two times, right? Just copy back the formula, which is you already have the answer. Ini memang tak ada masalah. You just copy back because no need to waste of time on doing this. You can straight away go for the substitution. Okay, what is the answer? Will be equal. So 2 4 square minus 4 power of 3 over 3 minus 2 3 square minus 3 power of 3 over 3. Okay, what is the answer? Give me the last answer. Give me the last answer. Terus buat last answer, bagi tahu. (1.67) Okay, 5 over 3 minus no, sorry, 10.67 minus 9, right? Okay, betul. 10.67 minus 9, you get 1.67, right? Okay, kita dapat 1.67 unit square. Okay, what is our last answer? Tambah semua, betul. Very good. Total area of shaded region. Okay, total area of shaded region is 1.67 plus 6 plus 1.67. (9.34) Okay, 9.34 unit square. Okay, so one question lah. This is one question how we need to solve. But actually you have a different way of solution. We have different way of doing solution. I bagi ni satu cara. Okay, actually you can use integration also. Kita buat integration, but we are doing minimal integration. But actually you can do the y1 minus y2 method also. Tapi saya tak guna tadi y1 minus y2 because I think you do by doing portion you can still get the answer. Sebab satu saya nak tunjuk by portion, by doing portion with method lah. Itu sebab saya tunjuk cara ni. Okay, so next I give you one homework. Okay, saya bagi satu homework. You try to solve the problem, and then we discuss about the quiz on the coming Thursday. Saya nak bincang sikit lah. Okay, I give you homework first. Copy this question. Okay, our homework is this. Okay, homework. So we have okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, so this is diagram. Try to solve this. Okay, I'll discuss this in the next lesson. Okay, next lesson I don't know, tetapi kita bincang macam mana. Okay, so okay, for a while kita bincang dulu tentang quiz